Oh, now we go to the regional allocation for agriculture. Very important. Mindanao is said to be the breadbasket of our country, and it thrives on agriculture. Now, if you can see here, the allocation of agriculture in Mindanao from 2025, it was 14.3, still small, but this 2026, it's smaller. It's now 12.2. Can you imagine? Instead of increasing the percentage of Mindanao in agriculture, 14.3 this year, it now becomes 12.2. What is the explanation of the DBM and the DBCC, the Development Budget Coordination Council Committee, on the reduction of Mindanao? Why reduce Mindanao when we are the breadbasket providing 40% of all the food in the country? So bakit? So maybe know now the answer.